Mactalio goes to the screen. Cross pass. We will fire a 3. Bang! Will attack, will pass, will fake. Villamor will drive inside. Pass to Mejia. Hook shot. Yes, sir. Yes to Migliare. Migliare will drive. Will pull up Jet the free throw line. Yes, sir. Corner pass. Oduka will attack. Side step. Hook shot. Yes, sir. Oduka. Welcome to Abra Intertown 2024. Barrel for third between Lagangilang and Bangged. Here's Chances. Pass it to the middle, Migliare. Migliare pass to Mactalio. Pass to the corner to Migliare to Mactalio. To kicks out for 3. Bang! Rebound by Migliare. And here Migliare to Talio. Mactalio will kicks out. Migliare goes to the middle. Corner pass to Migliare. Bang! Migliare. Mejia will fake. Will race. Yes, sir. Mejia. Mactalio now in hurry against 3 defender. 4. No good. And here's Mejia. Will stop. Pass to Lee. Lee goes to the screen. Will spin. Will between the legs. Pass to Mejia. Picks. Will drive, bounce pass inside. Corner pass. Oduka will attack, side step, hook shot. Yes, sir. Oduka. Yari goes to the wings to Mactalio, to the middle. Pull up J, basket and 1. Sanchez and Mactalio. The distansya to Migliare for 3. Bang! Migliare. Walang scorean to. Stops, libre sa 3. Bang! Oduka! At the top. And stops, bounce pass to the middle. Sanchez. Here's Corpus. He stops at the free throw area. Bulls up. And here's Migliare at the top. Bounce pass. Pull up jumper by Sanchez. Short. Rebound para kay Migliare for 3. Bang! Migliare! Rebound. Here's Oduka looking for the receiver. Bounce pass to number 25. Tinapikan. Lee will pass a 3. Won't go. Corpus, the pass break. Here's Mactalio all alone. And tinap board. Easy to. Oduka at the top. Bounce pass to Lee. Corner pass. Mejia will fake. To the middle. To Oduka. Oduka fix. Will drive the floater. Yes, sir. Oduka. Good. And here's Lee. Cross off the mid lane. Step back. Fix. For 3. Bang! Lee! And he stops. Pass to the middle. Migliare. Pass to Mactalio. Pass to the corner. Sanchez. Sanchez to Migliare. Migliare will drive. Will pull up Jet the free throw line. Yes, sir. And here's stolen. Oduka. Behind the back pass. Ang gandang pass. And here's Migliare. The high pass. Kicks out. And looking for the clock. 5 seconds on the game clock. Corner pass for 3. Short. Rebound Mejia. Will high pass. Oduka fires a 3. Won't go. That's the... Oyohoy will drive. Pass to Lee. Create space. Will fake hook shot. No good. Tips in. Oh. And here's Migliare. Pass to Blaza. Migliare pass to Corpus. Pull up jumper. Bucket. Villamor. Pass to Villamor for 3. Bam! 3 points. Migliare. Pass to Talio. Mactalio goes to the screen. Force at 3. Not good. And here's will attack, will pass, will fake. Villamor will drive inside. Pass to Mejia. Hook shot. Yes, sir. And here's Lee. Lee against Mactalio. Deep 3. Bang! Lee! And pass to corner. It's Migliare. To the middle. Ferrer will start. Villamor hook pass. And nauna na si Lee. Easy 2. 56-25. And now Lagangilang up by 1. Corpus will pull up Jair. Won't go. Rebound Villamor. Natapikan sa likod. Recover. Will attack. Will fake. Will fire off the window. 3-point lead. Pass to Mactalio. Pass to Ferrer. Will bump. Will lace off the window. Yes, sir. Pass to Mactalio. Bounce pass to Corpus. To Mactalio. Picks. He's stepping back for 3. Not good. And the long pass. And here you go. Basket and one. Mejia. Milyare. Bounce pass to the middle. Sanchez. Drive to the hoops of the window. Yes, sir. Sanchez. And Lee sumisigsag. Will fire. Pass inside. Eksakto yung pass. Short. Reverse layup. Bucket. And here's Villamor. Attack. Elise. Yes, sir. Villamor. Push. Pass to Milyare, to Mactalio. Pass to Milyare. Pass to Mactalio. Will drive, will bump. Oh! No good shot. Isa pa sa 3. Bang! Mactalio. And here's Lee, Will Harry. He stops, launches on deep. Bang! Lee! Mactalio. Goes to the screen, cross pass. Milyare will fire a 3. Bang! That's the end. Corpus, pass to Mactalio. Mactalio all the way to the hoops. Easy 2. Mejia, pass to Oduka. Will cross over. Will go to screen. Bounce pass. Mejia will spin. Pass on the inside. Ball is stolen. And here's Mactalio. He's slowly dribbling the ball. Crosses the mid lane. Pass to the corner. Fires a 3. One go. Rebound by Corpus. Posting a pass inside. Sanchez with the finish. Behind the back pass to Lee. Lee will post up. Will pass to the corner. Will fakes. Will drives. The volley of the window. Yes, sir. And here's Milyare. Pass to Mactalio. Holds the ball. Corner pass. Bounce pass. Posting up. Kicks it out. Wide open for 3. One go. Rebound by Corpus. Against Oyohoy. Sa gitna. Pinasa. Ang ganda namang pasahan nun. Oduka. Natapikan ni Mactalio, is stolen, and Mactalio against Lee, inintay pa si Lee, and easy to Mactalio. Cross the mid lane. Passes to Lee, deep 3 Lee, bang! 3 points, Lee. To Mactalio, pass to the corner, pass to Mactalio. Mactalio goes to the middle, crosses over, Will attacks, Will Lee, so the jelly! And here's Lee. Against Milyare. Pass to Hoyoy. Villamor inside. Pass libre. Bucket. Mejia. Mactalio. Stop. From 3. Bang! Mactalio once again. Mactalio. Will drive. Penetrates. Oh! Spectacular move. Mactalio at the top. Against Lee. Mactalio to the middle. And the pass, Milyare, corner fakes, pull up jumper, bullseye. And here's Lee, little spin, pass to the middle, Mejia is stolen by Mactalio again. Mactalio, hinintay na naman, lace, easy 2. Mactalio, pass to the middle, goes to the screen, pull up jumper, bullseye, Milyare. And Oduka against Milyare. Inside pass. Mejia will bump. Will fix. Falling away. Bucket! And Harry against Mactalio. Nakalusot. Binit-bit. Nag-jelly. Yes, sir! Villamor. Cross the mid lane. Bounce pass. Corner. Wide open for 3. Bang! Nothing. Milyare at the top. Logo area. Setting the play. Sisinyas dito. Mactalio receives the ball. Passes to Corpus. Corpus against Mejia, the cross pass, Milyare to Sanchez, Sanchez to Milyare, pass to the corner, Milyare 51, Milyare 58, Milyare will spin, will attack, kicks out, Mactalio for 3, won't go, rebound by Sanchez, Corpus, inside pass na libre, sa loob si Milyare, and stolen by Milyare, Milyare 51, bounce pass to Milyare 8, Milyare will stop. Will pass to Mactalio. Pass back to Milyare number 8. To Milyare number 51. to Corpus to Milyare. Pinay step. No good. And put back shot. Pull up J. Baguette. Sanchez will set the play. Sisinyas dito. Uno ang tawag. Pass to Mejia. Mejia goes to the middle. Pass to Lee. Lee pass to Villamor. Open look. Bang! Villamor. Pass to Mactalio. Mactalio in Harry. Bump. Lace. Too strong. Oh! Bagsak si Idol. Yeah. Posing up. Pass to the middle. Milyare. Corner pass. Milyare for 3. Bang! Basket. And Oduka to Lee. Lee guarded with spins. Oh! Iniwan! Lee. Setting the play. Stops. Pass to Sanchez. Will post up. Will spin. Stolen by Oduka. Oduka to Lee. Pass to Oduka. The tic-tac-toe pass. Passes to Milyare. Milyare holds the ball. Bump. Goes to the screen. Will attack. Corner. Pull up jumper. Sanchez. Nugget. Rebound by Milyare. Pass to Mactalio. Will set the play. Will pass to the middle. Pull up jumper. Sanchez. Bullseye. The net. And here's Lee. Lee goes to the middle. Fires at 3. Won't go. And stolen by Lee. Will bump. Will goal. Oh! That Milyare. Bump. Bounce inside. Fires. Baguette. Sanchez. Oduka. Pass to Lee. Will fire at 3. Short. Milyare. Pass to Milyare. High pass. And top board by Corpus. Good one.